In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create the beginning of your video, whether it's for Instagram, whether it's for TikTok or YouTube. It's always nice to have something at the beginning where it's going to tell the people who you are and what are you doing. So I already uploaded my video. I recorded this video 2 days ago. It's a very short video. This is my logo, and this is what part of what we're going to be doing. So to start, we're working with Movavi Video Editor 2025, and the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the video first, and I'm going to clean it up. I don't think it needs any cleaning, but let's just go through it. Welcome back to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel you're going to see a mix of videos from DIYs to reviews, a whole bunch of fun videos. Please make sure you subscribe. That really keeps me very encouraged to continue in this path. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. Okay, so that's what I said on my video. I don't know why it's shaking a little bit. Don't worry about that. When I download it, it downloads fine. I don't know if it's because I have so many pages open in my computer or what it is. Well, now I'm gonna add a transition. Okay, and like I said before in other videos, you need to favorite all the videos that do not have the crown, because these you have to buy something separate for these files to come up for you. So I went go ahead and favorite all the ones that don't have the crown. I really like this one here, so I'm gonna bring it here. This is my transition. Okay, so this is how it looks. And that, let's go ahead and start the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sample videos. You can either go backgrounds, sample videos, and this is what I'm gonna grab. This is, I really like this rainbow swirl, so I'm gonna bring it down here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back to my files under project files, and I'm gonna bring down my logo, and I'm gonna put it right on top of it. Sometimes it just doesn't want to do it, so you have to play with it. Okay, so here it is. So now I'm gonna make both the same size. I'm gonna make the swirl the same size as the logo. Okay, now I want to add some music. With everything in Movavi Video Editor, you can only use for free the ones that don't have the crown. These are all my favorite, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So I'm gonna put it right there. It can go here, or I'm gonna put it right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the end, make sure that everything is highlighted, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna delete this side. Okay, so it's deleted. So let's go ahead. At this point, you can add another transition or just leave it like that, so that you go ahead and go with the video you want to upload. Okay, so let's just go at the beginning and see how it looks. See what you think. Welcome back to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel you're going to see a mix of videos from DIYs to reviews, a whole bunch of fun videos. Please make sure you subscribe. That really keeps me very encouraged to continue in this path. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. Okay, so here what I see is that all this here doesn't show any music. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and back again, so that I get all the whole thing again. So I'm gonna go somewhere in the middle, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna delete that. Then I'm gonna grab everything, and I'm gonna bring it to there. Again, I'm gonna go to the end. I'm going to cut it and delete the right side. That way the whole thing is going to have music. So let me go back to that so you can see. Okay, also what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to add some text. Okay, again, I'm going to go to my favorite. I like the simple text. So the reason why I'm going to be doing these, and then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to say find the link to Movavi editor under the description box below. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to choose where I want it. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to bring it here, and I'm going to choose a font that is thicker so you can see it better. Okay, or I can bring it anywhere you want in the page. Okay, so it's going to show right there, and I think I wrote below wrong. Right there, and then we go apply, and there's your whole video. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and go export, and then you're going to give it a name, and then you can say beginning video, and you're going to go ahead and start, and you're going to find this video under your Movavi videos that you can upload, and then continue with the video that you're making, whether it's a DIY or whatever it is. You can go ahead and add it after. Well, I hope that helps, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, if there's something specific that you want me to record with the Movavi video editor. I've been using Movavi video editor for about 7 years, and I can't replace it with anything else. I love it. So for now, thank you. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Until next time, thank you.